Hello! In this video, I'll guide you through the different filters available in the inquiries section and how you can effectively use them. When you navigate to inquiries, you'll notice that you can filter them based on the stages they're currently in. For instance, if you're interested in viewing only the inquiries marked as interested, you can use the appropriate filter. Additionally, you can filter inquiries by a specific time range. We've also introduced the inquiry created filter and enrollment date filter options. By default, the system is set to inquiry created. For example, if you check this month, I've received 11 inquiries, out of which 4 have been converted. This reflects the creation date of the inquiries. Switching over to the enrollment date option, you can now view all inquiries that were enrolled within a specific time frame. This month, I've enrolled a total of 5 inquiries. So 5 total inquiries and 5 are enrolled. Next, let's talk about sources. You have the ability to filter inquiries based on different sources, showing how you're acquiring them. Filters are also available for the staff members they're assigned to. Additionally, you can see your total inquiries and total enrollments. You can simply click here to filter inquiries created today or see which inquiries are currently unassigned to any staff member. Furthermore, you can check all tasks that are overdue and those that are due. When you click on Overdue, all overdue items will be displayed. You'll notice that the list view is visible here. Similarly, when you switch to card view, you'll see an organized card layout with inquiries sorted by their current stages. Instead of manually changing the status stages, you can easily drag and drop inquiries to your preferred stage. Thank you for watching.